Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi keep disconnecting a few minutes later in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting again and again, so let's see how can you fix your issue. So the very first thing you can try to go to your control panel. Just go to control panel here and just click on this view by and then select large icons. Then click on network and sharing center. Now on this section, you just have to click on change adapter settings. You might get your Wi-Fi adapter here. Just click on this, right click on this, then go to properties and then select configure. Now you have to select power management and you just have to disable this setting which is allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Just uncheck this box, then click OK. Now once this has been done, it might fix your issue. After doing that, if your issue is still not fixed, you just have to click on this Wi-Fi icon. Just click on this arrow icon here. Then right click on your connected Wi-Fi network. Go to properties. Just wait for some loading. And in properties, you must have to make sure that this meter connection is disabled. And you have selected private network instead of public network. So once you have selected this, it might help you to fix your issue. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to control panel again. Just search for control panel and here go to network and sharing center. Go to change adapter settings. Right click on your Wi-Fi. Go to properties. Go to configure again. And this time go to advanced. And here you must see the option of 802.11 or something like that. You just have to select this. Then click on this arrow icon and click disable. Then click OK. Now it might take some moments. It will reload or restart your Wi-Fi. You just have to reconnect this. It will help you to fix your issue. Or if it's still not fix your issues, right click on your start button, go to run, and in run you just have to search for services.msc. Hit the services.msc, just go click on OK. Your services will be open. Click on any service, then press W from your keyboard. You just have to look for WLAN autoconfig. Here's the option, just double click on it. And here is the startup type. So much I will click on this, go to select automatic from here, then click apply, click OK. Now just right click on this, click on restart, click yes. So once you have done this, it will restart some services relating to your internet. So basically it will restart complete network system, so you will not get any kind of issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.